What is Swagger UI?
Swagger UI is an open-source tool that automatically generates interactive documentation for your APIs. It presents endpoints, request formats, and responses in a user-friendly web interface, making it easy for both developers and non-developers to explore and test API functionality, all without writing extra documentation code.
Why use Swagger UI with FastAPI?
FastAPI natively integrates with Swagger UI, allowing real-time, interactive API documentation as you develop. This integration lets you view, test, and validate your API endpoints instantly. It speeds up debugging, showcases available features, and ensures that your API stays well documented and accessible to the team and users.
Setting up Swagger UI in FastAPI.
Getting started is simple. Install FastAPI and a compatible server like Uvicorn. When you define your routes with FastAPI, documentation is generated automatically. By default, Swagger UI is available at the /docs path when the application starts, so there's no extra setup needed for basic usage.
Exploring and testing your API endpoints.
With Swagger UI, you can interactively try out your endpoints. Enter input parameters or JSON payloads, submit requests, and instantly see responses, status codes, and example data. This streamlines testing and helps you catch issues early, all within a visual interface that updates as your FastAPI code evolves.
Customizing Swagger UI in FastAPI.
FastAPI lets you fine-tune your Swagger UI experience. You can modify titles, descriptions, and metadata via your app's configuration. Advanced users might set up authentication, hide certain endpoints, or add custom branding. These adjustments make your API documentation more professional and tailored to your audience.
Benefits of using Swagger UI for FastAPI projects.
Whisper's Swagger UI enhances collaboration, speeds up development, and reduces documentation errors. Its interactive nature helps onboard new team members quickly and ensures that stakeholders can explore the API's capabilities with ease. Automated docs keep your project aligned, efficient, and scalable from the start.